How to upgrade Spotify Premium on your iPhone device. To upgrade Spotify Premium, if you use Spotify application, then it doesn't work actually. Once you launch your Spotify application and go through the premium, here you will see all of the plans, but you can't really buy or use them. For that, you have to open any browser you have in your device and search for spotify.com. Once you search that on your browser, this page will be seen. From here, simply hit on Get Premium option from the top, and from here you can hit on the View All Plans to see all of the plans available in your Spotify application. Now from here you can upgrade your Spotify Premium. Once you click on that, your payment process will be proceed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.